Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to figure out how to convert a graph for TensorFlow Serving? It can be a real headache, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to convert a frozen quantized graph into a saved model. I totally get it. You've trained your model, created a frozen graph, and now you want to use it with Cloud ML Engine. It's frustrating when you hit a roadblock like this. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, how can I convert my frozen quantized graph in a single PB file to use on ML Engine? This is a common question, and it's a crucial step for deploying your model effectively. So what's the issue here? The TensorFlow Serving and Cloud ML Engine require a saved model format, which is different from the frozen graph format you currently have. Understanding this difference is key to solving your problem. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will make your model deployment process even smoother. To convert a frozen graph to a saved model, the user should first import the necessary TensorFlow libraries. This is essential for handling the conversion process. Next, the user needs to load the frozen graph from the file. This can be done using TensorFlow's function to read the graph definition. After loading the graph, the user should create a new TensorFlow session and import the graph definition into it. This step is crucial for preparing the graph for inference. Now, the user can save the model as a saved model. This involves specifying the export directory and using TensorFlow's save function. Finally, the user should verify that the saved model has been created successfully. They can check the export directory for the new model files. Fun fact, did you know that TensorFlow was originally developed by researchers and engineers from the Google Brain team? It's come a long way since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user provides a method to convert a frozen quantized graph into a saved model for TensorFlow Serving. They start by importing necessary libraries and defining the export directory. After clearing the directory, they create a saved model builder. The user reads the graph from the .pb file and imports it into a TensorFlow session. They prepare the input and output tensors, defining the model's signature for serving. Finally, they save the model using the builder. Here's that great tip I promised. Always keep your TensorFlow version updated. This ensures you have the latest features and fixes, making your model deployment smoother. And there you have it. You should now be able to convert your frozen quantized graph into a saved model. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your models.